I'm Brad Saltzman. I own Residential Hospitality Services Incorporated. I've been using Locksmithology since 2005. Locksmithology has serviced businesses of mine in Beverly Hills and Santa Monica, and now they're installing a new buzzer system at our kitchen and corporate office in Chatsworth. Locksmithology is always on time. They give us a very fair price. They're honest. Their men are very, very good. They clean up after their work, and most importantly, there's a sense of integrity. I trust them when I'm calling them to come out to my place of business. I know that initially they're giving me a fair price from the very beginning. It's never more than they quote from the very beginning. The job is well done, and it's done on time, and that's the most important to me. So I trust Locksmithology. I've been trusting them since 2005, and you should trust them as well.
This is the work that's being done. We're installing a buzzer system, new installation for electric strike, new lock, new lockout cylinder, rekeying the existing setup because of a burglary. This is the property. It's our vents. It's our beautiful vents. 1, 2 over there. 3 over there. There's the locksmith license number on it. This is our locksmith license number. And that's it. Hope you call us again. Thank you.